What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. And in this one, we want to talk about XRP. Now, what we've seen in XRP lately is XRP ran to a level of 73 cents. And the entire market has moved quite a bit up to a $1.4 trillion market cap, even a $1.42 trillion market cap. And honestly, when we see that growth, we're really excited about what the future can bring, because this isn't it. Obviously, we know that the crypto market should be worth a lot more and will be worth a lot more. So when we see XRP rise this much, we're like, all right, let's continue this growth. Let's continue moving. And the reason why we saw that movement was more around the speculation, right? The speculation that you would see a settlement between the SEC and XRP or Ripple. Well, with that, as we got to November 9th, we didn't actually see a settlement. What we did get was basically a statement from the CEO of Ripple saying that, look, we're willing to take this to the Supreme Court. And once you have that, you know that the two parties are very, very far apart. And if they're that far apart, then, what are you going to do? You're not going to see any type of settlement. You're going to see a briefing schedule. But in my mind, I thought this was something completely different. I thought it was something that the SEC maybe wanted XRP to fail. And it seems like to me that everything that I read, everything that I see is more towards XRP's failure than it is towards their success, right? It is towards Ripple's success as well, right? But let's talk about XRP in this video and why I believe they're trying to just kill XRP. They're not trying to see XRP win. Even though we know that Ripple is going to win, even though we know XRP is going to skyrocket, they're trying to prolong the inevitable just to basically push their own narrative and push their own position that they're invested into. So if you guys could, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter or follow me on Patreon, those links are also in the description. Now, don't forget about my Rumble. If you guys are interested in joining me on Rumble, we're trying to get to 300 followers right now. We're definitely making some moves, and we do weekend live streams. We do Rumble only live streams. So if you want to be a part of that, feel free to be a part of that. Now, guys, when we talk about XRP, when we talk about what they have done to XRP, to Ripple in the past, we saw that, this overall lawsuit, this overall case was unjust. Like, I know you guys know, I know, everybody knows that this was unjust. It was just not the right thing to do. If you're trying to get regulatory clarity, that's not the right way to go about it. You can talk to the businesses, you can talk to the companies, you can talk to the CEOs, and you will figure out that they're just trying to understand how to survive and live in this world today, but also changing it up a bit. But people are reluctant to change. And if those people are reluctant to change, we're not going to see anything that actually does. So where's XRP right now? Currently, the position is at 65 cents. We saw it decrease from a level of 73 cents all the way down to the 65 cent level. It is currently down on the day, down 0.4%. We're seeing that the market cap is at 35.2 billion, and the overall volume we're still seeing around the billions at 2.1, almost 2.2 billion dollars. So it's nothing really has changed here, right? Besides the fact that the price is coming down and we're all like, well, why isn't it skyrocketing? I put out a video recently talking about how November 9th will be significant, right? It'll tell us whether we will go up or down. A lot of people interpreted it as we were going to go to $149 on November 9th. And it's a hard stop, right? XRP to $149, hard stop. And then we get into the rest of the title, the rest of what it is, which November 9th is very significant to the growth or detriment of, XRP, right? So that's exactly what I was going with there. And now we see what November 9th really was all about, whether you get a settlement or you don't get a settlement. And then if you come out with something as big as the CEO now says, we will see, we'll see you in Supreme Court, or we're likely to see you in Supreme Court, or whatever, that's obviously a little bit of an issue for a lot of people. Well, what am I getting at by saying that they want us to lose? Because not only am I saying that XRP has dropped and all of that, but they want us to lose. Why do they want us to lose? Well, I saw this article recently, which kind of confirmed it, that right here, millions of XRP tokens stolen from the hot wallet, right? From Polynex. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Polynex hot wallet. Now, you saw this hack that went on where you had 3.1 million XRP that was stolen from there. But if you scroll down here and look at the rest of it and understand the extent of this, you're going to understand that this also includes 32 million USDT, 284 ETH, and 86.5 wrapped BTC, along with 35 different types of tokens on the Tron blockchain. Now, when I see this, I'm like, all right, that's just a little bit more information. But then you step back and you're like, they used XRP as the title. They're trying to push XRP's price down. And that's exactly what you see is it's not only staying there, because typically you'll see a bounce, right? It'll go down to a certain level. People realize, oh, it's at a low price. It'll bounce up. But when you have negative after negative after negative that comes out for this, that's something that doesn't really fly with seeing any type of increases or fly with all of the investors. So it's crazy to me because 3.1 million XRP is like $2 million or something like that. So how much is 32 million USDT? Well, it's a stable coin, so it's pinned to a dollar, meaning that it's worth $32 million. Why is USDT not the head of this as the most that has come out? Because XRP is popular, because somebody's in their back pocket, somebody's telling them, hey, XRP can't survive. Let's push the fact that everything else is not doing well. Besides that overall position up there, hide BTC behind, the fact that it's wrapped BTC. But BTC with the, obviously it's a hack, obviously it's a problem, but BTC with the spot ETFs and all the money that's flowing into there, big businesses and smart money, everybody that's getting into BTC, it seems like to me that it's all just kind of a ploy to take away any hype that's with XRP, that's with Ethereum, that's with everything else, because Ethereum is running as well. Ethereum went to a level of 2,100, and you have the spot ETFs there as well. But it seems like a lot of the money may be flowing into what Bitcoin is, and then it goes back to what they said when in the Coinbase argument and case and everything there, that Coinbase needs to delist everything but Bitcoin. I mean, that tells me a lot, right? It makes it very, very clear on where your goals are, where your vision is. I don't know. It may be a conspiracy to say that they're trying to keep Bitcoin at the highest level it could possibly be and XRP keep that down as long as possible. But it seems that way, right? They're not settling. It seemed like they had a settlement and then they decided to take it back. And XRP probably was like, or Ripple was probably like, look, you know what? We'll take that settlement. We'll go with that settlement. But now Ripple is probably upset. That's why they put out that argument saying, look, we'll take this to the Supreme Court. And the reason being is because they had the settlement. They took it away because they want Bitcoin to survive. If the settlement goes out, XRP runs and possibly does skyrocket to a whole nother level. But they didn't want that. So that information didn't come out. They'll settle after the spot Bitcoin ETFs do go out there, right? Do get approved. And then you see Bitcoin run, and then they could do whatever they want with XRP. But then you also see keeping it down with different articles and different things that are happening, different hacks and all of that. This may be a conspiracy. Honestly, it may be a conspiracy. I just wanted to tell you that it seems kind of fishy here, how you have XRP, kind of flat here while it was running a hell of a lot. And all of these negative things are just coming out of nowhere, coming out of the woodwork. And, they're trying to, kind of suppress what that volume is. But again, this may all just be a conspiracy. And I know there are people that are going to come here and say, look, you're wrong on this one. Shut up. And I'm like, all right, whatever. I just wanted to put something out there and let you know that it is a possibility. We're still seeing XRP around 65 cents. It's not saying like it's completely dead or it's going to be completely dead. It's just suppressed for a little while. So guys, let me know what you think about this. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, Make sure you check out any of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon. Those links are in the description. And don't forget about my Rumble, guys. If you want to join me on those live streams, feel free to join me on those live streams. It does, help out with growth and all of that stuff. And, I appreciate your company. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.